Hello, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope Azinuche Azeru Oziri. Na still this tenancy matter we dey talk about. Una know say anything wey concern landlord and tenant, e dey sweet well well. Today we go talk about how landlord suppose take give quit notice. Last week we talk about the length of quit notice, how the rope suppose long reach. Today we go talk about when to issue that rope. Na him we go talk about today. Make I use better example wey be say everybody go understand. If Mr. A na yearly tenant wey rent house for 1st of January 2023, Mr. A rent go expire 31st of December 2023. If the landlord say he no want Mr. A again, he no like wetin Mr. A dey do, he wan quit Mr. A, the proper way to give that quit notice na to give the una know say when I say quit notice, na notice to quit I dey talk about, but for our better sweet language wey we dey use, na wetin make we dey call am quit notice, but the proper name na notice to quit. If landlord wan give Mr. A quit notice, the proper time to give that quit notice na 30th of June 2023. Today, exactly today, 30th of June 2023. Now, if the landlord fit still decide to give the quit notice April wey don pass, March wey don pass, or May wey don pass, e still dey proper, e still dey legal. But the landlord no go fit give the tenant, he no fit give Mr. A quit notice tomorrow. He no fit give am 2nd of July, he no fit give am for August, he no fit give am for September. If you watch my last video, you go understand this thing wey I dey talk, because I don first talk for my last video say quit notice na how landlord and tenant agree, but where landlord and tenant dem no agree how the quit notice go be, the one wey I dey talk na so law talk say make e be. So if you and your landlord agree say your quit notice na him go dey give you 1 month before your rent go expire, e dey okay. If you and your landlord agree say anytime wey you misbehave, him go knack you quit notice, e still dey correct. But if you and your landlord una no agree, na where law now go step in, tell you and your landlord how the quit notice go be. Now I don tell una the proper time to issue quit notice. Some ten ants get this wrong belief say quit notice suppose come when their rent don expire, as in say if your rent expire, your landlord go come give you extra 6 months, extra 3 months, or 1 month to stay for free. It is not done anywhere. No law known to us in Nigeria where that one dey happen. Even for government property, e no go fit happen. So if you get that belief say if landlord don give you quit notice, say landlord suppose dash you 6 months free, 3 months free, no be so. If a landlord decide say na so him wan do for you, e no mean say na the law, no be the law. Now another thing for quit notice be say quit notice, whether you dey, because some ten ants dey sabi evade quit notice, whether you dey around or you no dey around, your quit notice go still reach you. My colleagues, lawyers, dem know how your quit notice go take reach you. Even though you dey run, you want to wama, your quit notice go still reach you. Thank you.